Welcome to the Dr.Vet channel, come to the livestock world. Today, we are come to the Ngoc Mung Chicken Farm. And now, follow me and go to the Mr. Ngoc. Hello Mr. Ngoc. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine. Let's go.
Okay, thank you so much.
Ngoc Mung Chicken Farm is located in Liên Ha Commune, Dong Ana District, Hanoi, specializing in the production and supply of high-quality poultry breeds. With its strategic location near the city centre and favourable natural environment, the farm commits to meeting strict standards for nutrition, health, and food safety. A team of experienced experts ensures rigorous management from production to quality control, delivering standardised poultry breeds. This contributes to the sustainable development of the livestock industry in the Northeast region and nationwide. Now, let's work with the expert who has brought good products to the chickens of Ngoc Mung Farm.
Yeah, we have seen that the chicken is very beautiful, uniform is healthy. Now, could you please show us the medication product and demonstrate how they work?
Yes, sure. So, we have researched and found that it detoxifies the liver and kidneys, regenerate the liver cells, and supports the treatment of liver damage caused by various reasons such as poisoning, high dose antibiotic use, and poor quality feed, and it enhances detoxification functions, stimulate appetite, increase absorption capacities, and is good for the digestive system, boost immunity, reduce stress, and promotes rapid growth.
May I ask, what product is the farm using for the chicken liver and kidney to achieve such good result?
Yeah, you can see here is the Bogasol medication product that we are discussing. And now, let's together examine the Bogasol Oral product. Currently, we will check the smell and color of the product. And you can see its viscosity after being mixed with water, as well as the dosage for the treatment chickens and preventive dose.
Regarding the color, smell, and packaging appearance, I'm very impressed. Comparing the overall quality of the product is expert reviewed chicken quality. This is an impressive product. Could you tell me more about how to use this product?
Yeah, for this product, it is recommended to use 3 to 4 milliliter per 40 kg body weight of cattle and horses. For sheep, goats, and calves, you can use 3 to 4 milliliter per 20 kilogram body weight. And for the mixing with the drinking water, 1 liter you can mix with 2,000 liters of water for poultry and waterfowl.
Bogasol is not just a simple dietary supplement for poultry. It is also a reliable companion for poultry caretakers. With a specially researched formula and natural ingredients, Bogasol ensures optimal nutrition for chickens, promoting their health and robust development. Its reliability and effectiveness have made it a top choice among poultry farmers. With Bogasol, you can rest assured about the health and perfect development of your flock. Dr. Vet's channel, coming to Vietnam's livestock, says hello and looks forward to seeing you again.